Why did the YouTube channel bring a ladder to its birthday party? Because it wanted to reach new heights in its second year. Welcome to Berry Life. Wow, what a wonderful 2 years it's been. What started out as an escape from the pandemic has evolved into a hobby and a passion for creating and sharing delicious vegan and vegetarian recipes from around the world. It's been an amazing journey of discovery into the foods we love and the cultures that born them. So far, we've posted 100 recipes and plan to create many more into the future. One of our favorite recipes this year is our vegan holiday dinner, which was a personal goal of ours. We shot all 5 recipes in the same day and enjoyed them with our family for dinner. It was a lot of planning and executing, but tons of fun. In addition to food recipes, we also started making cocktails and even brewed our own beer this year, a Belgian Cripple. We just wanted to say thank you for your words of encouragement and support. We will definitely post more cooking tips and kitchen hacks in the future. Our goal this year is to monetize, and we have a ways to go. We're confident with your love and support we'll get there in no time. If you like our creations, please be sure to subscribe and share them with your friends and family. Why did the birthday cake go to the doctors? Because it was feeling crummy. Thank you and good luck in achieving your goals for 2024 and beyond. Enjoy!